Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Clarendon, Jamaica on Tony's farm, where we're going to introduce you to his livestock. Tony has a passion for farming and has been doing it for over 10 years. On his farm is a unique mix of animals. These includes goats, sheep, ducks, and fishes. Tony's unwavering love of farming is evident in how he meticulously tends to his animals every day. On the farm are two hybrid breeds, the Anglo-Nubian and the Boer goat. The Anglo-Nubian goat is a British breed and it has an interesting history. It originates from crossbreeding between native British goats and lop-eared goats from India, the Middle East, and North Africa. On the other hand, the Boer goat is a South African breed that is selectively bred for its meat qualities.
So once I clean out now, the goat pen supposed to be like this. You see the ground? The ground has to be like this. So the feces drop down, the water drop down.
Tony's dedication includes various aspects, such as maintaining meticulous breeding logs, preserving valuable bloodlines, and diligently administering essential medications to his livestock. Even as Tony passionately shared his knowledge, a couple of goats came by seeking their daily head massages. It's so heartwarming to see the bond between Tony and his animals.
So they come, it's called free choice. They take whatever they want. How much? When you have an upset stomach, you know, you lick as much as you want. Remember, they lock up, so you have to be the doctor and give them what.
Spending time with Tony and his goats has given us a newfound understanding and appreciation of these incredible creatures. We hope you enjoyed our trip to Tony's goat farm. In our next video, we'll dive into Tony's duck farming. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you won't miss a thing. Until next time, bye!